Are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good, fit and fitter. And please tell you,
Okay.
introduce yourself
Please
little bit.
give me a minute. 1 minute.
Okay, okay,
Actually, I have to speed up my fan because it's very hot.
okay.
Okay. We can start again.
Yeah. You know,
Oh,
in these days, raining. You can say weather is raining and sometime hot.
yeah, because rainy season is going on and it's raining outside here, but still there is humidity.
Yeah. So please,
Okay.
we are meeting for the very first time. So please introduce yourself.
Sure. As you know, my name is Shilpa, and originally I am from Himachal Pradesh, but currently I'm living in Punjab. I'm a homemaker. I have done masters in biotechnology and B.Ed, and nowadays I'm learning this language. That's why I have created my YouTube channel. So you can also call me a YouTuber because I upload videos on my channel. And yes, this is all about me.
Okay.
May I have your introduction?
Yeah, why not? 1 second, because someone is calling me.
Mm-hmm. No problem.
Yeah. Am I visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri. I'm married. I have completed my 12th class in 2014. If you talk about my hobby, like singing, sometime dancing, new songs, as you know, and sometime reading books. And this time I'm learning English because I want to make environment for my kids. And still, this is my fashion.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, that's great. Okay, so how is your day going so far?
Yeah, my day is going very well because in this time I live in my maternal house. You can say my uncle and auntie with, and
Mm-hmm.
in Bharatpur,
Okay,
because I currently I join my parlor courses, so that's why.
okay, okay. So, uh, means you are taking training of beautician.
Parlor,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay,
saloon. I joined saloon.
okay, okay. So,
Yeah,
what kind of training are you doing? Do you take for makeup or haircut? What kind of
yeah,
training are you taking?
yeah. This time, my you can say beautician part is completed, and
Okay.
haircut, haircut I know. Yeah, you can say we save how to do we save, and how to do step cutting. Yeah, and you save
Okay, okay.
straightening, and what how to do, you can say curls hair. All
Mm-hmm.
things I know about here. And this time, still you can say my makeup part and only hairstyle.
Okay, okay, that's great. And
Yeah.
what is that thing which motivates you to learn this language? Because are you passionate to learn this language, or do you want to work
Yeah,
anywhere? That's
little
why
bit
you are
I
learning.
fascinate. Little bit I
Okay.
fascinate. I have been in my childhood, but this time,
Mm-hmm.
1 second, someone is calling me.
Okay, okay. No worries.
You are not visible here.
Yes, yes. I switched
Now
off
you are
my
visible.
camera.
Okay. And
Mhm.
you can say a little bit I fascinate, but you can say I want to make environment for my kids, because in future this
Mhm.
language is very, uh, you can say
Yes.
very, very, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a global language, and this
Very
language
important.
is used everywhere. Whether you want to search about any information on internet, it will come in English only,
English,
and
yeah.
it is also official language. When you go to any bank or any government office,
The
you have
same
to
thing.
fill the
Yeah.
form only in English. So English is everywhere, and in India now lots of people, they are getting to know about the value of English, how English is important for them, and they all are learning this language.
Wife. Mostly housewife. This time,
Yes.
every housewife is you want to learn English
Yes,
at home.
not only housewives. I met with many people,
Yeah,
I talked with many co-learners who are retired from their
yeah.
service, and many working women also, they are also learning English language, um, eh, because most of the teachers, they are teachers, but still they are not able to speak English very well. So they are also learning this language. So I think it is a great thing that all are connecting with each other and helping each other to learn this
Yeah.
language.
This time, trending topic English. Learn how to learn English. Trending topic is
Yeah,
internet.
it's trending. Yes, yes. Because it has been 2 years. Uh, when I first created my YouTube channel, it was all about science. I was uploading videos related to science subject, but it didn't work for me. And I got bored after some time because I was not getting good response. And honestly speaking, I was not uploading too much videos. Then I started uploading English videos, and I started getting good views and good subscribers. So since then I have been uploading videos of English.
So you have been started your YouTube channel 2 years ago.
Yes, yes, I started that 2 years back, but that was not about English. That was about science and bio, because I am a science student. I was a science student, and I also taught for 3 years online in COVID time. I conducted classes for 6 to 12 class students, science and bio. After that, I thought I have to do something different on YouTube. I wanted to be a science tutor, online tutor, but now I'm learning English, and I'm creating content related to English.
So who motivate you for learning English and YouTube channel?
Honestly speaking, my background was in Hindi medium till 10th standard. Then after 10th, I took medical, and that was in English medium. And at that time, I faced a lot of difficulty because earlier I studied all the subject in Hindi, and suddenly after 10th, I switched to Hindi to English, and I have to study all the subject in English, and I was facing a lot of difficulty. I was not understanding the concept, but anyhow I managed. But still I was not able to speak confidently. I can understand, read, write, listen, but I was not able to speak. So during the COVID time, when I started teaching online, in English medium, to students, so I was getting students all around India, like from Delhi, from Mumbai, Maharashtra. So some, I have to speak with them in English because they were very good. At that time I realized that I have to enhance my communication skill. Since then I thought that I will improve my English. So since then I have been doing this English practice, and I also started creating videos on my YouTube channel.
Wow, it's great.
Yeah,
You
so
know,
this is the
so how
story
many
of mine,
subscribers do you
because
have
then I
now?
start till now, uh, two week ago I completed 1K subscribers.
Okay,
um,
congratulations.
but I was not consistent with my channel because
Okay.
sometime I stopped uploading the videos, but now uh, for last 4 months I am consistent now.
Yeah, because it's happened with all YouTubers. Sometimes they have free time and sometimes they have not free time. So it's happened.
Yes, and sometimes you feel monotonous. Sometimes you don't have much time. Being a housemaker, you have a lot of responsibility at home, and you have to take care of your kids, family, and
Yeah,
yes. But now I feel that I have to improve more because I'm on the basic level still now. So I'm trying to improve more, but sometimes you get confused. What is the next step? What you have
yeah,
to
yeah,
do next?
yeah. While I started my YouTube channel, that time I want to consistency, make consistency. But sometimes it's happen. You feel boring, like you are not
Yes,
getting more views. Then you feel nervous. It's not good. So
yes,
sometimes it's getting more views, then you feel happy and you can say you want to more videos make. So
yes. And
and
for that, you have to create something different. You have to do hard work, and so that people like your video, they can learn from your video. So you have to think something different now, because lot of people are coming on YouTube. They are creating their
yeah,
own channel. So
competition is like
there is a lot of competition now.
yeah, yeah. Same content like English daily use sentence and so same video conversation, same because household chores is same everywhere. So that's why all ladies they are with our daily routine and daily activity. So yeah, same video, their subscriber is not like more much. Same video,
Yes, yes.
they want to
Okay,
different
so
something different.
yes, yes. Okay. So, do you practice daily, or you do your speaking practice daily?
Yeah, this time my practice is not going well because
Mm-hmm.
I have been started 2 months ago my you can say parlor courses. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why I skip my practice day. I don't have free
Okay,
time for my English speaking course.
okay, okay. I can understand. So, so today you are free.
Yeah, little bit, but my I want to you can say I know little bit how to stitch clothes. So my
Mm-hmm.
sister's clothes is here with me.
Okay,
So I stitch.
okay,
Yeah, after
okay.
this.
That's great. You are very hardworking. You are stitching clothes, and you are also getting
Yeah.
training of parlor. So it's very good. And along with that, you are also learning English.
Yeah, because sometime you get free time, more free time because
Hmm.
you can say clothing is not here for stitching and not other work. How only household chores work do then free. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
if I have free time, then I make video and upload on my YouTube channel. And sometime I'm stitching and get more free time. Then I join my free, you can say makeup classes.
Yes, it's really great, yeah, that you are skilling yourself and upgrading yourself with your skills. And I have also interest in makeup, and in doing makeup. So sometime I watch YouTube videos how to do makeup, because when we have special function, then we have to get ready. So I also watch some video and put on some makeup. So I
Yeah,
do very simple makeup. I never went to parlor for my makeup, but I do
yeah,
it very simple by watching, how to apply
yeah,
eyeshadow, how to do makeup on your face. So
yeah.
I
Because
watch some videos on YouTube.
yeah, on YouTube, everything is available.
Yes, everything is available. You just need a small practice of it.
Yeah,
By watching videos, you can learn it. But if you are not consistent with your practice, then you will forget. Because
Yeah,
now it
practice
has
makes
been
makes
a
impact.
long time, I didn't do any makeup for a long time, so now I forget how to apply
Yeah, yeah.
eyeshadow, how to
It's
put on
stubborn.
creams and all these things. But yeah, it's very important that you have to do these things once or twice in a week, so that you can remember that how to do the makeup.
Yeah, because practice is most important for everything. Because
Yes.
you can say you listen this type of thing practice.
Practice makes man perfect.
Yeah, practice makes a man perfect.
Yeah,
Yes, you are right. And it is the same way for English.
yeah.
If we will not do our practice of speaking English, then we are not going to learn this language in the same way.
I have been upload my video on my YouTube channel after you can say 2 months ago. Then this
Oh.
time I make conversation. Sometime I forget something and also fumbling. Yeah, if
Yeah, that
you
is
practice
due to
day to
lack of
day, then
practice.
you
Because
get competence.
yeah. It is due to lack of practice. If you will be consistent with your practice, make time, make sure that you will speak to one person daily, at least
Yeah,
one person. Whenever you get time, sometime if I can't get time in the daytime, then I take my session at night around 9, because I feel that it's very important to talk at least one person each day, so that we get habitual of this language.
yeah. Now I will try for every day make practice because if I skip day, then my I know about this. I don't. You can say I don't. Uh, it's, uh, it's forget something. You can say increase
What
my
you want
English.
to say, you can say it in Hindi. I will explain what you
No,
want to say.
लाइक अगर मैं ऐसे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करूंगी तो मुझे ये लगता है कि मैं कभी भी इंक्रीज नहीं कर पाऊंगी या कभी भी अपनी इंग्लिश को इंक्रीज नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
If I will not practice daily, then
Day.
I'm not learning this language. I'm forgetting
I'm not
everything.
able to. I'm not able to for this language.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay,
do you have?
anything else you want to discuss or ask question?
I think 18 minutes is complete, so it's good for my YouTube channel because if you make long video, then people are not interesting for long video. They
Yes,
want to
yes,
watch.
yes. It has been 18 minutes, and if video will get long, then for uploading it will take too much time.
Yeah,
Yes. You want to upload this video on your channel?
yeah. If
Okay,
you
okay.
you want to make upload on YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, then we connect again. Okay.
No problem. You can upload it, and you can upload this video, and next time, whenever I get free time, next time
Yeah,
I will upload.
we connect and
Okay,
you upload. Okay,
okay,
bye.
okay. Thank you. Okay, bye.